Hi there, students. To assert, a verb. Assertive, the adjective. And assertiveness, the noun or the quality. Okay, we use assert in various different ways, but they're fairly similar. Okay, so you can assert something. You state something is a fact. You state it very firmly. So he asserted what he said was true. He asserted the truthfulness of what he had said. Okay, so to state, to argue, to maintain, to declare. You can assert your power or assert your authority. So you make it clear to everyone that you have power. You are the person in authority. Okay, so he is a very assertive person. Okay, he shows everyone that he is power. Yeah. Russia is trying to assert its authority over the Ukraine. Okay, so to assert your power, yeah, to try and make it clear to everyone that you are in charge. You can assert your right to something. You can assert a claim to something. Yeah, so to insist on. Yeah, to stress. So he began asserting his right to self-determination. The Ukraine is asserting its right to independence. Okay, so to defend, to maintain, insistence. Yeah, and then you can assert yourself. You speak in a forceful way so that people notice you, so that people don't walk all over you. Okay, so to assert, to say something plainly and strongly, to state positively. Yeah, he asserted that he was very good at English. Okay, he stated to everyone in a strong way. To assert your authority, to exercise your power, to prove the existence of your power, to assert your rights, to assert your liberties, to defend a cause, to vindicate a claim. Yeah, he asserted his right to the title. Yeah, by words or by taking different actions. Yeah, to assert yourself, to insist on the legitimacy of your rights. Yeah, you need to be more self-assertive. Don't be so shy. Don't let people push you around. Yeah, stand up for yourself. Be more assertive. Yeah, show more assertiveness. And then an assertion as a noun. An assertion is like a declaration. So I'm not completely convinced by his assertions. An assertion is very often something that somebody says, but it doesn't have any support or any evidence. So what you say is just an assertion. It's just that you say it, you claim it's true. But maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Yeah, for it to be more than an assertion, you need to prove the truth of it. Okay, so to state an opinion with force. Yeah, the company asserted that they had done nothing wrong. The politician's assertion that he had acted within the law was later proved to be untrue. Okay, you can assert authority, to assert control, to assert leadership over a group, to show your power. Yeah, and you can assert yourself. You act forcibly in a way that expresses confidence in yourself. Yeah, you have to assert yourself in this society, or you're going to have real problems. Okay, so the assertion that you made, the thing that you claim. Okay, so to assert, formality. I think I'd probably give it a 6 in formality, but I think you could use all of these in an informal conversation. I think assertion and assertion, 6.5 in formality. But I would say use all of these words anywhere, but they're a little bit more on the formal side, okay? And then as to origin, these come from the Latin word assertus, from asserio, to declare somebody free. Yeah, add to, and serio, to join. Okay, so asserio is, or assero, is to the freeing of a slave. Okay, so to make them free. Okay, so assert, to assert yourself, and to say something is true, to show power and authority, to make a claim that something's true, to act in an assertive, self-confident way. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To assert, assertive, assertiveness, and assertion.